Let's learn action verbs. Dragonflies. Dragonflies. Fairy glows. Fairy glows. Mermaid swims. Mermaid swims. Giant stomps. Giant stomps. Elf comes. Elf comes. Wizard casts. Wizard casts. Unicorn gallops. Unicorn gallops. Phoenix rises. Phoenix rises. Witch flies. Witch flies. Troll sits. Troll sits. Knight fights. Knight fights. Castle stands. Castle stands. Goblin steals. Goblin steals. Spell breaks. Spell breaks. Griffin roars. Griffin roars. Shadow creeps. Shadow creeps. Treasure gleams. Treasure gleams. Sword strikes. Sword strikes. Stars fall. Stars fall. Ghost vanishes. Ghost vanishes. Monster growls. Monster growls. Crown sparkles. Crown sparkles. Hero saves. Hero saves. Villain schemes. Villain schemes.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.